Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 2, Types of Expenses. In this chapter, we'll examine the various types of expenses related to business use of the home. Let's begin by discussing a taxpayer's business percentage. Once a taxpayer determines that he or she meets the tests needed to qualify for a deduction, the next step is to calculate the percentage of the home being used for business in order to determine the taxpayer's business percentage. This percentage will then be used to calculate the business part of the expenses for the operation of the home. A taxpayer can use any reasonable method to determine the business percentage. In Publication 587, the IRS gives examples of two commonly used methods for figuring the percentage. In the first example, the area of the home used for business is divided by the total area of the home. Let's look back at Jerry, the writer who lives with his friends in the cool city loft. Suppose that Jerry's office space measures 10 feet by 10 feet, while the loft has a total area of 1,000 square feet. First, Jerry multiplies the length of his office space by its width. 10 feet times 10 feet means that Jerry's office has an area of 100 square feet. Divide 100 square feet by 1,000 square feet, and Jerry can determine that his home office occupies 10% of the loft's total area. Jerry's business percentage is 10%. In the second IRS example, the number of rooms in a house that are being used for business is divided by the total number of rooms in the house. So, for example, if Jim uses 2 rooms in his house exclusively and regularly for his business, and Jim's house has 10 total rooms, Jim can calculate his business percentage at 20%. This method is only useful, however, if all of the rooms in the house are approximately the same size.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.